Hey, this is Aaron with Scalability, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to access your integrations and connect your Google, Facebook, Instagram, things like that. So once you log into Scalability, we're going to go down to the bottom left corner where we see Settings. You click on Settings, and then in this left side menu, you scroll down till you see Integrations. When you see Integrations, you click on that, and it'll bring up everything that you can integrate through Scalability. So you see here your Google account, your Facebook, Instagram, QuickBooks, Clio, Slack, TikTok, Shopify, Stripe, all those things right here. On any one of these things, you're literally just going to click on it and it's going to open up the window and immediately have you log into the account to see if that's what you want to do, right? So it'll let you pick the account, log right in. The same will go with your Shopify, your TikTok, your Slack, Clio, everything. It's literally super simple like that. And as soon as you log into it, it will show up that it is integrated inside of here, and then you'll be able to access all of that stuff from here. You'll be able to take payments with your Stripe because it'll be connected. And with your Facebook and Instagram, once you connect that, you'll actually be able to respond to Facebook messages and Instagram DMs all from inside of Scalability without ever having to leave the platform.